Okay, now, this is absolutely gone too far. This is my side porch. There is no porch. There are no steps. It's just a mountain of snow, and as I'm standing here, I can see every little crystalline flake adding on top of the other. It's just, you can actually see it. And look at my car. My car is buried. And the plow went by, and the snow along the street line looks almost like, from another window, it almost looks like it's level with the damn hood of the car. I can't believe this. I can't go to sleep. It's almost 1 in the morning. How can I go to sleep with this shit going on? All night long it's gonna do this. All night long. At this same rate.